This is the Butler System Warehouse on wheels. Built on a 15-foot Isuzu 4500 chassis, it is truly a compact and efficient platform tailored for mobile cleaning professionals. This unit includes the standard 10 feet of shelving, but it's been enhanced with an additional 34 feet of modular shelving, maximizing storage throughout. That includes 3 feet of shelving above the side-mounted freshwater tank, and another 3 feet above the equipment shroud, making full use of every available space. Built on the foundation of Package 1, this vehicle also showcases Packages 2 and 3, along with a range of premium upgrades. The recovery tank has been upgraded to a 210-gallon capacity, extending time between emptying. The vacuum hose reel is now electric-powered, providing faster, easier operation. A garden hose reel has been added alongside the pressure hose reel for added convenience. Additional enhancements really elevate this setup. The Butler Maximum Vacuum Blower boosts airflow and suction. The automatic pump-out system keeps you moving by continuously removing recovered water while you work. And the cargo heater helps keep your gear and supplies safe from freezing temperatures during winter jobs. Overhead and scene lighting ensure visibility and efficiency, even in low light conditions. This versatile configuration is ideal for high-demand applications including water extraction, where maximum capacity and performance truly shine.